All right, I'm just starting the video, so evaluate means to find the answer in the expression for g equals 2, 9g, that's 9 times g. So we substitute the 2 in for the g, and then 9 times 2 is 18. Here it's f is equal to 16. So for f, we put in the 16. 16 minus 7 is 9. And number 3, you have to see that typo, or not really a typo, but make sure you understand what's written here, because again, I'm summing what IXL has in a different layout, but evaluate the expression for x equals a negative 5. So x equals a negative 5, and then what does this expression equal if x is a negative 5? So that'll be negative 7 minus 4 times negative 5. You're going to substitute the negative 5 in for the x. I multiply before I subtract, so that's going to be a negative 7 minus, and then this is a negative 20. Minus a minus, we write it as plus, so this is a negative 7 plus 20, which is 13. All right, go ahead, number 4. R is a negative 8, so this is going to be a negative 10 minus 2 times R, which is negative 8. Multiply before I subtract, so it'll be negative 10 minus a negative 16. Remember, minus a minus is plus, so that'll be a negative 10 plus 16, which is 6.
Any 8th grade students that have not taken their picture, please report to the comments area.
Okay, go ahead. Number 5. Anybody not taking their picture yet? Okay. Number 5. Okay, you should get a negative 9. So if you didn't get a negative 9, pay attention here. Okay, so D is a negative 1. So when I put negative 1 in here, I have to square it before I multiply, and negative 1 times a negative 1 is a positive 1. Okay, negative 1 times negative 1 is a positive 1. And then a negative 9 times 1, negative 9. Questions? All right, number 6. All right, how many people got negative 16? Okay, we got a couple. All right. So first of all, we're substituting a negative 3 in for n. So when I put the negative 3 in for n, I have minus a minus, which is plus. And I showed it here. So 1 plus 3 is 4. Now I can multiply negative 4, positive 4 gives me negative 16. Go ahead, number 7. Yep, right there. Yeah, well, no. Okay. We're on page 4, I believe it is. Negative 14 times 0 is 0. So I end up with 0 plus 10 minus 18. 0 plus 10 is 10. Minus 18. Negative 8. Anybody get negative 8? All right. So we have to multiply first. After we multiply, we'll add and then subtract. Go ahead, number 8. $476. Anybody? Anybody? Awesome. I got it right. All right. So we're going to substitute the 3 in for the u. So the u and the u. Substitute the 3 in. I have to do the exponent first. So 3 times 3 is 9. And then I do my multiplying next. So I get 450, 48 with the minus 22. Add, working left to right, 498. Subtract the 22, 476. questions? Okay, remember, as you're going to be over here, the last seat right next to Gretchen. All right, so remember, you still, if you haven't gotten it done, you got X1, X2, X4, X5, and what are we doing tomorrow?
Quiz.
Quiz. All right, go ahead. We're not supposed to let people go so you can fill it up there. It's just not real cold.
Tell kids to stop eating.
Well, that's not the only reason.
That's okay.
All right, yep. I gotta correct that first, so why don't you start working on this first one, and then I'll get ready here.
It's not mine.
Okay, working.
Mom believes what?